Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea at home without lemon. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. The key is to brew it stronger than usual to account for dilution from ice. Once brewed, allow the tea to cool down to room temperature before chilling it further. This simple process ensures a delicious, refreshing drink every time. To achieve that perfect iced tea flavor, use about 1.5 times the amount of tea you'd normally use for hot tea. For black tea, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. Green tea needs less, around 2 to 3 minutes. Alternatively, try cold brewing by steeping tea in cold water overnight for a naturally smoother, less bitter taste that many people prefer. Sweetening your iced tea is easiest when the tea is still hot, allowing sugar or honey to dissolve completely. A simple syrup, made from equal parts sugar and water, blends in seamlessly without any grittiness. For natural flavor, consider adding slices of peach, berries, or sprigs of mint or basil to your tea as it cools. These additions offer a delightful twist. Once your tea is perfectly chilled, pour it over plenty of ice for that classic refreshing experience. You can garnish with a fruit slice or a fresh herb sprig if you like. Store any leftover iced tea in a sealed pitcher or container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.